Hey, Roadster time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2008 Chrysler Crossfire Limited Roadster. 3.2 liter. That's paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission with auto stick, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Blaze red crystal is the color of this car with a two-tone premium leather package. Let's take a look at the front. Headlights, grille, fascia. Looks good up here. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, just a little over 58,000 on this one is all. And you can see the paint shows well on it. Yeah, I mean, it's been driven a little bit. Previous owner may have touched up a little spot here or there, but overall paint shows well. I'll kind of point out just a couple things I noticed as we go around it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there to our website. We can check out all the pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct 18-inch wheels, newer radial tires. Let's take a peek down this passenger side. If you stick around to the very end of this video, I'll show you how the top functions, engine bay, and then we're going to take it for a drive. So we'll show you how this goes down the road, set a camera up in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Take a look at the passenger side, and you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. That two-tone leather interior, also in nice condition, heated seats, nicely equipped car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the power wing in the back is functioning. Did raise that up for the video. You also see it that way in the pictures. Previous owner said that works properly and will go back down at approximately 60 miles an hour. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the still pictures, top up, top down, like I said, underside, interior, engine bay. Also want to mention that if you like late model roadsters like this, sports cars, maybe like muscle cars or classics, vintage, street rods, hot rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. There's videos that are uploaded every day of vehicles that we do have available to purchase here in our showroom. And as you can see, the driver's side of this car too, not full of any major dings, dents, scratches. I do want to point out one spot where I noticed that the clear had separated a little bit back here, but nothing too major, not going to affect the performance or drivability of this car. This will be a fun one for summer. Get in, turn the key, and go. Of course, your monitored amenities, power windows, power mirrors. Also has power seat over here on the driver's side. You can see the leather in nice shape. Bolster, a little bit of just natural wear to it where the leather wrinkles, just like a natural hide would. It's like a pair of soft shoes. Kind of what it's going to do. All right. There's your exact miles, 58,370. As far as stereo system, it does have the Infinity stereo system. Let's fire this up. Power wing switch here, heated seats here, of course lock, power locks, power mirrors, power top. We're going to show you how that top functions, goes up and down. What else do we have here? Top of the dash looks good. That AC blows cold. Passenger seat, a very nice shape. I mean, what you'd expect with a car. This kind of miles on it, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and pop this hood too, since we're going to take a peek under there. Slip around to the back here so you can hear it run. I haven't noticed anything crazy over the top as far as exhaust modifications, anything like that. Sounds as it should. Center dump exhaust, kind of cool. I don't know if I can get this hood one-handed or not, if I can happen to catch the latch in the right spot. All right, hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't appear this car's been driven in inclement weather. There's that 3.2 liter. Power brakes, power steering down there. Again, AC, struts working as it should. And once again, that clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. You can see there has not been any sockets on these fender bolts. You can see it's not been adjusted, or they've been taken off of there. Same as this side, one of the telltale signs of a front end collision. Very easy to notice and recognize. Same back here with these hood bolts right here, never been touched. This looks good underneath there, sounds good. How about we go after that convertible top, show you it going up and going down. We'll wrap this video up. Stick around to the end. We'll take this car for a drive. And here is a close-up of the top up. As you can see, it functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I also rolled the side glass up. You can see that that is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. This is a black fabric. I have not noticed any discoloration really anywhere to it at all. No rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window with defroster. Nice tight fit. Passenger side window also up. And as you can see, that fits nicely around to the front of the passenger side. Looking good. No surprises on the top. One thing I want to show you, actually a couple I'm going to show you before we put the top back down, just so you are aware of it. If you were to purchase this vehicle, this divider in the trunk right here cannot be laying flat. This is telling the top system that there is room back there for it to go down, and then you still have trunk space here too with the top down. If you have the top up, that can be laid flat. You have more trunk space. That's one thing. And the other thing I want to show you is when you go to start this process of putting the top down, start the process of putting the top down. You want to unlatch it here, which is a turn, and then you're going to pop it up like that to get it started. It needs to be in that position for the top to start. So let me show you the function of it going down also, so you can see that everything works properly there too. So let me get this set up. I'll show you the top going down. And there you can see the process of the top going down. Stick around to the very end for the driving video. 2008 Chrysler Crossfire. Good looking Roadster. Clean Carfax, actual miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2008 Chrysler Crossfire. We're going to take it for a drive. This is a convertible. We do have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Smooth running car. The odometer showing 58,368, and it does feel like a low mile car. Good condition inside and out. Smooth acceleration, smooth ride. Factory radio is working. Unique styling to this car. Good modern handling. Power steering is easy to drive. The leather seats, bucket seats are comfortable. Feels pretty nimble. We got power brakes that are working very well. It is a smaller car, and that probably plays a part. Corners very well. It doesn't lean much in the corners. Get enough throttle, it's nice and responsive. Feel that power. All our gauges look like they're working well. Fuel gauge is full. Temperature is almost halfway up. Factory tachometer working well. If you're looking for one of these, there's a nice low mile example. If you're not sure if you're looking, take a look. Check it out. Read about it. See the video and pictures all at uniqueclassiccars.com.